Welcome to Waitatapia Station, an iconic North Island farm situated approximately 10 kilometres west of the Bulls Township. The property has been in the Dalrymple family for over 100 years and is currently owned and operated by brothers Hugh and Roger Dalrymple. The brothers have expanded and intensified the operation over the last 25 years. The farm consists of 2,570 hectares of land, incorporating a 220 hectare lease. Hugh and Roger are also equity holders and managers of a neighbouring property called Teho Farms, a 1,255 hectare dairy, cropping, sheep and beef farm formerly known as Flockhouse. Waitatapia is a unique property of varying soil types with a combination of river silts and heavy to lighter sands. 990 hectares of the property is irrigated by way of 14 centre pivot irrigators. Due to the soil varieties and the irrigation system, the property is capable of producing a large variety of agricultural produce to a very high standard and specification. The farm obtains exceptional weight gains for stock and fattens both beef and lambs all year round. For over 15 years, the farm has also been involved in the preparation of stock for live export. It has a certified quarantine area and has undertaken annually up to 4 pre-export inspections for a variety of companies involved in these shipments. Waitatapia grows a wide variety of cereal and fodder crop, as well as different types of vegetables, with approximately 700 hectares planted annually. The vegetable and crop yields and quality are outstanding. Those performances result in end users continually offering the farm contracts to grow produce. Malting barley and maize are the predominant crops, but the farm also plants areas of peas, squash, sweet corn, sugar beet, oats and wheat. Potatoes, lettuces, onions, leeks and greens are the main vegetables grown. Hugh and Roger are strong supporters and practitioners of sustainable and environmental farming. They are previous supreme winners of the New Zealand Farming Environment Awards and are now used as judges in that competition when required. The farm has approximately 310 hectares planted in trees, which are harvested and replanted as rotational crop. Many of the waterways and wetlands are fenced off and replanted and preserved for future generations. The Dalrymples and their experienced staff are strong advocates in the use and implementation of modern science to increase production and at the same time preserve the environment. Buried soil moisture probes, GPS ground levelling and strip tillage, plus the use of chicken waste as a fertiliser are examples of this practice. Hugh and Roger have a close association with all of the local tertiary educational centres, with the likes of Massey, government departments and rural companies often using their farm for practical learning for students and staff. Their properties are also used for trialling new agricultural techniques and equipment. The Dalrymples are very proud of their farming heritage, and at the same time, in the ever-changing world of environmental farming requirements and practices, they are delighted to be viewed as a modern, progressive and highly productive farming group, embracing and often being at the forefront of change.